What do you see?
I know.
What's that?
Oh, this is from the mailbox. Let me show you in there.
Would you like me to read it?
Read it, Mommy.
Please. It says, "Happy birthday to her royal cuteness."
What I found.
What is it?
Mommy, eat it out.
You want me to help you get it out?
It's from doing anything.
Oh my goodness, what do you think it is?
I don't know. Let's see.
Wow.
That's a princess. Let's let down. Yeah. I could do it, Daddy.
Wow, what is that?
Cool.
It's for doing anything.
It's a suitcase.
A suitcase.
It's for packing up your stuff to go on a trip.
On my trip?
Yeah.
What?
Do you love it?
I know. What's in there?
What's in there? Can you say thank you to Nana and Poppy?
That's where you put your clothes.
Yes. And happy ever after you can see. What's in here?
Oh boy, what's that?
What is that?
That's a present.
Is that a book?
Yeah, on Amazon. To read.
You're gonna have so much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Whoa.
Going.
Wow, cool stuff.
I got anything. And once. And me. You let this out.
Sure.
Let the creams out. Let it out.
Okay, just a second.